The act of contrition. Virgin most sorrowful, I am aware of your incomparable grief as well as of the deep pain that wounded your loving heart during those 3 days of your solitude, while your Son, Jesus, lay dead and buried in the sepulchre in order that I may be overwhelmed with sorrow for the many times that, through my serious offenses, I have expelled my Lord out of my soul. I am heartily sorry for all and each of my sins, and I would even prefer death rather than commit any of them. But from now on, dearest Mother, I am resolved to amend my life and avoid sin, hoping that your divine Son, who suffered the most ignominious death for my sake, will grant me mercy, forgiveness of sins, and a return to a life of grace. I also ask of you, my Mother, that I may receive these favors through the merits of your painful solitude. Amen.
Condolence to Our Lady in the silence of her solitude. O Mother most disconsolate, grant me permission to stay in your presence, since knowing that I am the cause of your grief through my grievous sins, I am filled with compassion and dare not show myself before you. Yet knowing that you are the mother of sinners, I beseech you to be a special mother to me, whom you now see weeping, contrite and begging pardon for my sins. And since you withstood by the Church and her faith during those 3 days of your solitude, may she now triumph over her enemies. The souls in purgatory be released soon from their temporal banishment, and may I be numbered among your faithful servants to keep company during your solitude, in order that I may deserve your valuable assistance at the hour of my death, and your glorious company forever and ever in heaven. Let us all stand.